Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's the Grand Theft Auto the Trilogy, the Definitive Edition. That's a big mouthful. On the Xbox Series X. So yeah, I picked this up in the post-Christmas sales. It was full price. So let me get that out there. Yes, I know there are bugs in it, but I'm fully prepared for that. And it is what it is. And to be fair to Rockstar, they are patching it and all that stuff at the moment. So obviously it comes with GTA Vice City, which is one of my favourite games ever. I played the hell out of the original, so really looking forward to playing that. Grand Theft Auto 3, which was the game that basically started it all. Obviously it was the first Grand Theft Auto to be 3D, and yeah, so they didn't have the top-down view. And then you've got San Andreas, which admittedly I've got that on Game Pass, so I have been playing that already. But yeah, I'm so looking forward to going through these, especially like obviously San Andreas I'm already going through, but I'm still looking forward to going through the other two, especially Vice City. As I said before, Vice City is awesome, and the soundtrack is literally one of the best gaming soundtracks ever. So yeah, that's the front, that's the side, and that's the back. And that's not much information. You don't really need much information. 3 iconic cities, 3 epic stories. And then, if you want to read it, all that there. I have no idea what the install size is. It is 60 frames per second. It is optimized for the Series X. 4K Ultra HD, HDR10, impulse triggers. So yeah, do we get a map inside? No, we don't. So yeah, just a disc. So yeah, that's basically my quick unboxing of Grand Theft Auto the Trilogy, the Definitive Edition, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye bye.